I am Paras Jain, a managing director of Adishwar India Limited. So we have started our business in consumer durable electronics in 2004. Started in Bangalore, and from there we expanded entire Bangalore and Karnataka and entered in Chennai with the 2 stores. And now we are started expanding in Hyderabad. In last 2 months we already opened 5 stores, and this is today our inauguration of Banjara Hill at 6 stores. Evening we are inaugurating our 7th store at AS Rao Nagar, and next month we are opening 4 more stores in Hyderabad and Secunderabad Twin City. That is area like Dilsukh Nagar, like Apsiguda, like Karkhana, like LV Nagar, and we have few more stores planning before this year end, financial year end. Next year we are planning to expand entire AP upcountry. We may complete in 2 years in Andhra Pradesh, 35 stores in Andhra Pradesh. And same way this year we are planning to have a turnover of 350 crores, and coming year, next year our financial turnover will be about 550 crores entire south. So our total dream plan to be very clear-cut leader in the retail. We are totally 100% focused on retail, and we have our experience of last 5 years of Bangalore experience. The same experience we plan to give it to Hyderabad market and AP market and all, which is very successful venture in our Karnataka. The same thing we want to triplicate and duplicate here in our AP market. Compared to our Karnataka base, Hyderabad market also majorly it is a similarity is there. It's a cosmopolitan crowd, and all kind of customer base is there, and really here market people are better educated people. They always like about the good technology and good product and premium product and all. So this market is similarly typically matching with our Karnataka taste and all, and that is the reason from last 1.5 year we are very successful. We are in all consumer durable electronics, all leading brands like LG, Samsung, Sony, Onida, Philips, Godrej, Whirlpool, all like leading brands only we are dealing. We are not dealing with B brand and C brand or D brand, which is really will have it in future any kind of after sales service and all. We are very concerned about our after sales service and back end support to the customer and all. So that is the reason we always stand as a premium counter and premium brand as Adishwar. We have tied up with for finance option and all Bajaj Finance, where we have our internal tie-up where the manufacturer will bear the interest cost, or sometimes we also bear the interest cost and all, and consumer will pay 0% interest, and they get about minimum 8 to 22 months finance option, where easily in 22 months he will pay the finance, and there will be no extra additional burden and additional interest for that. So generally the kind of launch offer and all we launch for this month, that is about on every 2,500 purchase, we are issuing the Independence Lucky Coupon, which is going to have a draw and all. In that we are having first prize like half kg gold and 2 cars and 10 bikes and 100 LCD TVs, 1,000 mixer grinder and 10,000 surprise gift and all. The overall the bringing that kind of things means that we want to show the transparency of business and all. The kind of lucky dip schemes and all, it's so transparent and so attractive for consumer that any customer who can really have a better chance. If somebody is buying about 1 lakh rupees material, he is getting about 40 coupons, so he is getting a chance of 40 times he can win the same. So that is the possibility is there, and similar kind of things we have done very historical things in Bangalore. We are going to all bring the same consumer offers and all the kind of better service to customers, back-end call centers, after sales service, lot of other consumer offers. The same thing all we are bringing to our AP market.